Must be hot water in this lake. Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go ahead and blow. Hey, come back here with my food.
I'm that hungry little kitty cat you just read about. I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it.
On me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man. Come here. It's just in time for dinner.
Yeah? What are you going to have for dinner?
I'm gonna have catfish.
Yeah?
Let me take your stuff.
You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me.
You must be pretty cold, buddy.
No, I ain't cold.
Oh, yes, you are. Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner. Oh, boy. Sea lion fricassee. You missed me.
Now, my fine pigeon, I'm going to pick you dry. Mice. Meat. That was pretty good. But you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.